god, I almost dropped it. So I'm going to use the Benefit brow product to do my brows today. Just clean the brows quickly. To prime my lid with the Urban Decay primer portion. This is one of my favorite primer to prime my eyes. You have to set your lid in place when you apply a primer, mostly if your lid moves. Urban Decay to Run palette. That is what we are going to use for the eyes today. Beautiful packaging. I really like the packaging, guys. It's so cute, so cute. It has a huge mirror. Then that is the shades. Pretty shades. This palette I've been out like a month ago, so I'll take the shade. That is going to be a good transition color. Like, I don't need to wet my brush for this. Why am I looking gray? Like this camera, sometimes I'm looking too dark, sometimes I can't. Yeah, this shade. Try this at the outermost corner of the eyes. I know you guys can't really see what I'm doing. You see it on the other eyes. I'm just applying that at the outermost corner of the eyes. My camera is crazy today. It's not having it. It's very disrespectful. The orange shade. This one. Going to apply that in there. This eyeshadow palette is pigmented though. And this brush I'm using is by Thrive Cosmetic. Just quickly do this. The purple eyeshadow. I'll apply this again at the outermost corner. So I'm just blending that into the orange. Then blend it up. Transition color we used. And use this to blend out the harsh line. I'll take the shade. Don't even need to wet your brush for this. That looks good. I'm trying so hard to be on focus, but the camera will not let me breathe. This one, Rimmel London glitter liner. I'm going to apply this. This NYS That's the Point liner. Put my lash glue on my lash band. This makes my lashes stays all day. The Born to Run palette by Urban Decay. The transition colors that we use, that is what I will just apply underneath the eyes, nothing too special. I'll just quickly take the liner by Rimmel London, this liner. Oh, you make me want to talk back to you. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. Ooh. On the innermost corner of the eyes. I'm going to use the Sleek Lip pencil. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Born to Run lipstick, the ones that come with the eyeshadow. Anyway, I'll use this one. That is moisturizing. And it complements the eyes. Nice. Use this Afunkel long wear lipstick. Yeah, that's what we need. For mascara, I'll use the Thrive Cosmetic mascara. Guys, we need to lock down this makeup. The sun is hot. So I'll use the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me to the end of this video. This is the final look. I know this video was a struggle to put on because my camera was going off and on. I apologize guys. So guys, the look comes out really nice. The Urban Decay Born to Run palette is really pretty on the eyes. As you can see, it looks really good. The pigmentation of this palette is really nice, very soft to apply. You don't even have to wet your brush. This palette is a yes from me. Can you see my skin? My skin look beat. So if you have any questions for everything I used today, let me know at the comment section. So that is all I am going to talk about. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it